That thing is dope.
Finally, huh?
You made me a drink that time.
You made you a drink.
Congratulations, man. Rob Farley, people. 10-0. Dude, you won yourself $1,500. You won yourself 50% off the turbo and 100% off a case of HBO oil. Rob Farley.
Make it selling.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Hey, Rob, you say you're gonna swap over to the turbo now?
You done gave me an
I don't
idea.
know if he's gonna.
You done gave me an idea. I need to find what that is. I know it's a DJI.
We're getting over turbos. I don't know what to do.
Turret camera behind me. Turret.
That thing is tough. That's like for shooting movies.
Kristen, how much does this cost?
About 3,000. About 3,000. 10.
I'll sub it for him. I'll be his friend.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Chicken.
That thing is tough.
Great job, Rob. Congratulations. Thanks, guys.
You gonna come back?
That's tough.
Walk up with the car.
Yeah, them gimbal motors are keeping it. Okay, he's 12.